there's a couple air conditioners at the hotel we're staying at. It's an EMI and a Rheem. Both are running. This one, I believe, is from 2015. Where the data is 2013, actually. And here's an old EMI unit. An old shaker. This is the only place I've ever seen those EMI units at, those weird condensers, but